Sometimes, I end up doing work while sitting upright on the bed, back propped up with pillows and the iPad sitting on my lap. Sounds like it'd be a comfy arrangement, right? I would have thought so too, but it's honestly one of the least ergonomic modes I've tried, especially for my neck. The BEDCHILL, a piece of furniture that might change your life in bed. This world's first connected overbed rolling table will make your bed more cozy and functional than ever. If you love working and relaxing in your bed, the BEDCHILL is perfect for you. It's designed to let you do anything in your bed: work, read, game, or watch TV. It's the first connected overbed rolling table. You can do whatever you need to do without leaving the comfort of your bed. BEDCHILL is made with the future in mind by modernizing your bedroom and improving your comfort in it. To maximize both comfort and functionality, the BEDCHILL has integrated 4 power outlets and 2 USB ports for charging devices. It also includes 2 LED color-changing lights, integrated Bluetooth stereo speakers, 2 big drawers for extra space. You can organize your belongings without cluttering the top. Adjustable and multi-purpose design. The height can be adjusted manually to fit all beds from 12 inches high to 30 inches. In fact, it goes so high it can even be used as a standing desk. The BEDCHILL is available in 3 widths to adapt to most existing beds. You can also slide a BEDCHILL away from your bed and put it anywhere in your room to turn it into a classic table, a connected desk, or even a console table. Thanks to you watching. Bye.